Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
Kavan, a captive elephant, arrived in Cambodia from Pakistan early this week. Journey.
Kavan lived in a Pakistani zoo and showed signs of mental and physical suffering. With help from animal rights activists, his journey was a well-planned operation. After landing in Cambodia, he was given gifts before the final journey to the Cambodia Wildlife Sanctuary.
The literal definition of journey is a trip, travel from one place to another.
However, it can also mean a process of change and development over a period of time.